Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to three-way call on Android and help you talk to two people at the same time with ease. This video will guide you through the exact steps to set up a three-way call. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the phone app on your Android device. This is the app used for making and receiving calls, and it is usually found on the home screen or app drawer. Find the first person from your contacts or type the phone number manually. Then tap the green phone icon to begin the call. Step 2. Once the first call is connected, look at the menu options shown at the bottom of the call screen. This area controls call actions. Tap Add Call, which puts the first caller on hold and opens the dialer so you can add another person. Step 3. Choose the second person from your contacts or enter their phone number using the keypad. This allows you to bring another caller into the conversation. Tap the green phone icon again to place the second call. Step 4. When the second person answers, check the bottom menu again and tap Merge. This option combines both calls into one. You will now be on a conference call, and conference call will appear at the top of the screen so you know both callers are connected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.